Hey, I'm Ryan from Baratza, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to dial in a shot of espresso using the Encore ESP Pro. Whether you've got an entry-level machine or a prosumer machine at home, the ESP Pro makes dialing in espresso super easy and consistent. Today I'll be pulling shots on the Breville dual boiler, but the ESP Pro is suitable for any home espresso machine. You'll just need an espresso machine, a shot glass, a scale, and your Encore ESP Pro. My brew recipe is 18 grams of freshly ground coffee, aiming for 36 grams of espresso in about 25 to 30 seconds. This is a 1:2 ratio of grounds to espresso. I'll be single dosing and using the single dose lid. It's perfect for pre-weighing your beans and keeping your workflow clean. If you're grinding with the hopper instead, I still recommend single dosing at first, just to see how long your grind takes. Then you can set that time in timer mode for a consistent grind. The espresso range on the ESP Pro spans from 0 to 40. Our experience has taught us that when dialing in, it's easier to start on the coarser end and adjust finer, rather than vice versa. So I'll start on the high end of that range, say 36 to 40, and make adjustments from there based on how my shots are pulling. Next up, the espresso dosing cup. I'm using a 58mm portafilter, so I'll keep the adapter ring on. If you're using a 54mm or smaller portafilter, you should remove that adapter. Insert the dosing cup base and make sure the ridged side is facing the back of the grinder. Wipe out your portafilter basket and make sure you're using a non-pressurized basket for best results with fresh coffee. While I'm here, I'll purge the group head. Always a good habit to make sure everything's hot and ready for the next brew. I've weighed out 18 grams of coffee in the single dose lid. I'll pour it into the grinder and press the button and let auto stop mode do the rest. The screen counts up as it grinds, so if you want to switch to timer mode later, that final number gives you a great starting point. Place the portafilter on top of the dosing cup, flip, and give it a shake to distribute the grounds. Now let's tamp. Hold the tamper like a doorknob. Keep your wrist and your elbow aligned and press straight down just until the coffee pushes back. Then you can clean up the edges. Lock in your portafilter and start your shot. You'll usually see first drops of espresso around 8 to 12 seconds in. This one looked great. Nice flow, golden crema, that's just what I'm after. Let's taste it. Smooth, well-balanced, and just the right extraction. Is your shot not quite there yet? Here's how to fine-tune. Is your shot too fast or tasting sour? Go finer a setting or two. Even a half setting slows your shot by about a second. Is your shot too slow or tasting bitter? Try going coarser. Again, a half setting can change your shot by about a second, so adjust slowly. Espresso is all about balance. Grind size, ratio, brew time, and water temperature all play a part. But once you're in the range, it's easy to adjust and get your perfect shot. Need help? Our support team is here for you. Visit baratza.com/support. And don't forget to follow us for more brew tips and guides. Baratza, well-grounded for over 25 years.